Top 5 Best Pancake Restaurants in Amsterdam. If you're hankering after a pancake restaurant, there are dozens of spots around Amsterdam that serve a range of delicious options, including pancakes that are topped with classic ingredients such as maple syrup, powdered sugar or fruits, and others that have been tailored into full-blown savory meals. 1. Bakers and Roasters Restaurants. This New Zealand-style brunch restaurant lies in the heart of De Pijp, the neighbourhood south of Amsterdam's Canal Belt that's renowned for its bustling culinary scene. Though there are many delicious, hearty dishes on Bakers and Roasters' menu, the restaurant's pancake stacks are beyond amazing and are served with bacon, fruit and a generous splash of organic Canadian maple syrup. 2. Pancakes Amsterdam. Pancakes Amsterdam's awesome menu features many pancake-centric dishes that are inspired by international cuisine as well as traditional Dutch cooking. The restaurant divides its menu according to style, with entire sections dedicated to flat Dutch pancakes and fluffy, thicker American varieties. These pancakes are topped with many different types of ingredients, including typical savory combinations, such as ham and cheese, or sugary delights such as chocolate sauce and stroopwafel crumble. 3. Pannenkoekenhuis Upstairs. To enter this cozy pancake restaurant, guests must pass through an elevated entrance on Grimbergwal, then ascend an incredibly narrow staircase. This precarious passageway leads onto a small dining room decorated with charming knick-knacks, including a collection of teapots that hang from the restaurant's ceiling. The restaurant just serves pancakes and tops its delicious creations with an impressive variety of ingredients, such as cinnamon, brie or salami. As there are only 4 tables available inside the restaurant, it is always advisable to book a spot in advance. 4. The Pancake Boat. After jumping on board this floating restaurant, patrons are taken on an extensive tour through Amsterdam's historic docklands and presented with an unlimited supply of fluffy, Dutch-style pancakes with all the trimmings. The boat docks in NDSM Wharf in Amsterdam Noord and embarks on cruises several times every day. There are many types of special excursions available alongside the Pancake Boat's regular tours, including holiday-themed trips during Valentine's Day, Mother's Day and Christmas. 5. Japanese Pancake World. As its name suggests, this charming spot in De Jordaan centers its menu around Japanese savory pancakes, that are prepared according to time-honed techniques. For instance, Japanese Pancake World serves a crispy type of pancake from Hiroshima that's topped with several layers of ingredients including cabbage, meat and cheese, and another regional dish commonly associated with Osaka that is eaten with potato puree. As the restaurant features an open kitchen, patrons can watch their pancakes being prepared before they arrive at their table.